Ketamas Mubarak, Ketamas Mubarak, Sarni Koshan Button, Zisas Punsu, Kunu, December Zisas Punsu, and this is the old one, ladies and gentlemen, some 8 years back, and the preparation for the Ketamas is going on, and that's great, beautiful, 8 years back, and now today. The preparations with all the reverence and all the Jai Vigane Harta Jai Ho Jai Ho Jai Ho Jai Ho Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai Jai Ganpat Maharaj ki Jai Jai Ho Ganpat Maharaj ki Jai. Going to give you an overview of Ketamas. Ketamas till the preparations are on in the kitchen till the things are just it's got ready guys. I will give you an overview of the Ketamas. Ketamas is the very auspicious and very important day of Kashmiri Pandits being celebrated during winter time. Mostly it comes in December, around in the middle of the December, and around in 2017 it was celebrated on 17th of December 2025. That's what, ladies and gentlemen, that is me around 8 years back, and then today 2025 again, it is the day of Yaksha. I'm going to give you and this. Good. Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho. God bless, Rohi Beta. So, ladies and gentlemen, while all these rituals are going on, I'll give you an overview of this Ketamas also. This is the day of Kashmiri Pandits. This is celebrated during winter times, and it is the day of Yakshas. Yakshas means the very important these Vanars, very important these beings who are divine beings who come all the way from the mountains to the plains in Kashmir. And Yakshas, this king is King Kher. Kher, he is the Kuber Yushchu, he is the brother of Ravana, and he was having the Pushpak Viman which was snatched by Ravana, and finally that came back to this Vibhishan, and from Vibhishan it was taken on loan by Sri Ram while coming from Sri Lanka to Ayodhya some 7,500 years back. Ladies and gentlemen, it goes like this, just Pak Satra se. Ichi Nariman Thaun. Lagao Nariman. Everything has to be recorded, everything has to be the process. Zyada tired the just Nikki Hamula. Oh, that's great, very nice. This is what is Sanatan Dharma, this is what is Kashmiri Pandits. This is
Kher,
Sanjay, Kher and Company, Pyare Kishan Kher and Company. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm just trying to tell you that this is one of the most important rituals. Yatmas Nervin chu asan, Gandun pachu asan, yit yat suchu thomut. Now good going. Pag mola. Good going. Sadasın da çözdü karan. Chalo, very nice. Thank you Sanjay. God bless you with all the happiness, health, and wealth is of course a byproduct of the mehnat. Oh, that's good. Maza aa gaya. That is what is exactly Ketamas, very auspicious day, 19th of. Do pake kare ye puja mola. Yat lagote. Akh chu nevyed, akh chu So again, you know that the asan, you have seen that on that Gadapat day also. This is the asan for, this is for the water, but which we, when we will keep it for the yakshas, and this will be for the, another will be for the naveed. Basically for yakshas, yakshas used to come to our home, ladies and gentlemen, and then in the home only, you know that they used to, we used to just assess but pash yat pachabarne per thaman assess pat thaman, we used to keep it on the wall. Outside the wall there used to be a very special space in our homes. So ladies and gentlemen, I was just trying to tell you about these yakshas. You know, yakshas, the whose king is Kuber ji. याद छुने सो जलावन से धूप अच्छा fragrance wall क्या आज के pollution छुआ रहा, so we need to have a different, we need to have a very special thing today. So that is very, this is aromatic and you know, nano medication, and then trap simula posh. जय जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो यक्ष देवता की जय, यक्ष देवता की जय, यक्ष देवता की जय, यक्ष भगवान की जय. यक्ष महाराज सारनी पठन थे कृपा, सानिस गरस पर थे कृपा, सारनी कशरण बटन पर थे या कृपा, सच्ची दुनियास पर थे कृपा, सरसी यम एनिमल किंगडम छु, हर कह प्लांट किंगडम छु, हर कह छु या दुनियास मज यथ कायनातस मज तिमन पर थे कृपा, तिमन तीज पनुन आशीर्वाद युथ तिम रोजन ठीक पठन. तो मन यह आसान नेबर कन थवन, यह बड़ जरूरी. दिस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिचुअल, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. We have to keep it outside, you know, with, I told you that there will be two asans. One will be for the, you know, this one water, this treesh, and one, the other one will be for the good babbi ko kholo. So I told you that isha at asan gah sukan yat cha asan igo warkar tho aise mani okay good. We have to remove this one. So ladies and gentlemen, with all the reverence, with all the devotion, with all the you know, everything, every step has to be shown and understood. Otherwise, you know, however progeny, however future will generations will know what Kashmiri Pandits used to do. So we may not be knowing much about it, but then definitely there is an effort, there is to make it simpler and do this very important ritual of Kashmiri Pandits, ladies and gentlemen, on the day of, on this very important day of you know, Ketamas, which is the day of Yakshas, when Yakshas used to come from the, you know, from the mountains they used to come to the Yakshas used to come from the mountains to the plains, to the homes of this thousands and thousands of years back, and they used to come and then bless the Kashmiri Pandits, bless the valley, and also eat this Khetze. That's very important. Chalo, I want to Naveed dun. Kya mola? Oh, good. So it has to, Naveed has to start with whom first? Tabi mola? Acha, Shirin, from the Shirin. So from the most important person in the home. Aaja Rui beta. We start Naveed from you only. God bless. Maza aa gaya. Mummy won. Okay. With the blessings of Shada Kher and Pyare Krishan Kher Sahab, Dhanavati ji, grandmother, and then of course Pandit Jialal Khar Sahab. Oh, good. Babbi Astijut. Rat Sambola. Sanjay. Rat Bimola. God bless you also. Thank you. And then my taking the खा लो इथे में मन क्यों पूरा मजा आ गया खचर मजेदार खचर एक्सलेंट खचर शॉर्टस मन वनान खचर